Recording.
Okay na, so good morning everyone. Our business for this morning would be the opening of bids for following contract IDs 26GF00003. Supply and delivery of aggregates to be used for the repair of road slip, regraveling and maintenance of national roads and bridges along Halifax Highway, kilometer 335 plus 135 to kilometer 370 plus 670, with exception, Basad Lanat Road, kilometer 382 plus 160 to kilometer 382 plus 310. Dahil San Vicente, Santo Eso Circumferential Road, section 2, kilometer 344 to negative 3 plus negative 393 to kilometer 358 plus 186 with exception, and President Lawrence Aquino Boulevard, station 40 to station 80, PR number 2026-06-067, dated 6/10/2026, DPW Camarines Norte, subject to Indian Office, Barangay Dos Daet, Camarines Norte, and 26GF00004. Supply and delivery of thermoplastic paint materials to be used for the maintenance of national roads and bridges along Mardica Highway, kilometer 335 plus 135 to kilometer 370 plus 670 with exception. Here number 2026-06-08, dated 6/7/2026, DPW Camarines Norte, Sub-District Engineering Office at Barangay Dos Daet, Camarines Norte. But first, I would like to establish first a quorum. I am your SMAC Vice Chairperson, Engineer Simon Marche Arias, who will be presiding over our chairman. Our SMAC regular member, Engineer Ronnie BJ Ala.
Present.
Also, our SMAC provisional member, Engineer Beverly Galyamaso. Our SMAC provisional member, Ms. Caroline Barrio. And si PWD natin. Nagsimple na kami. Sige. So, we're in quorum. Sir Kiko, I would like to ask if there was electronic
Wala po tayo sir electronic submission po.
wala mo. Sige, thank you. I would like to open
Sir Kiko, open the
open the
Pandora's box. Delikado din na
or
nakakapagod.
receiving the quotation from ito. Okay. From Beraga Trading for contract ID. Ay sige. Mauna ko yun 26GF00004. For contract ID 26GF00003, the receiving the bid from ABC Construction Supply.
Kasali dito si Sir. 26 naman din yun eh. Dahil sa day, mabay minus pa lang ito.
Yung ano, 0003.
Training ko.
E6GF0003, the quotation technical document from ABZ Construction and Supply Division.
Okay po. For the ABZ, 26
ABZ muna.
ABZ submits their previous
Sa 003
registration valid
sa
November
ABZ.
6, valid until July 30, 2027. DWG ba?
Construction and supply.
Ah,
Pero masabi kong eligible.
So, this
Check mo lang dito eligible.
Kaya pala, hindi yun.
SLCC, Certificate of Completion, Certificate of Completion for Supply and Delivery of Aggregates for Embankment of Municipal Compound, 1,998,299. For ongoing, 26 of 0504, Income Tax Return, NFCC, amounting to 757,007,769 pesos. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized dated August 18, 2026. Technical specification, signed, dated August 18, 2026. Delivery schedule, omnibus warrant statement. Yes, sir. Omnibus warrant statement. Arnold Zamora is the authorized representative of ABC Construction and Supply. Full power authority to execute perform all acts necessary, not blacklisted. All documents submitted in satisfaction of the bid requirements. Authorities given to verify all documents. ABC and spouse are not related by consanguine to affinity up to the third civil degree. Understood that failure to faithfully disclose relationship. And with the head of the procuring entity, members of the PACTWG, as well as submission of beneficial ownership information containing false evidence shall be subject to blacklisting without prejudice to criminal and civil liabilities. ABC complies with existing labor laws and standards, aware has undertaken the following the responsibilities of the bidder, did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission amount or fee, and in case of advance payment, failure to perform shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability. Signed and authorized, ABC Arnold V. Zamora, dated August 18, 2026. Visible and past, we will now open the financial documents. For the financial documents, ABC Construction submits their bid form. 2 pages, both signed. Summary of bid prices. Signed. Price schedule. Signed. All by Arnold V. Zamora, proprietor. ABC Construction and Supply who offers 2,969,730 pesos, no discount.
Negative 1.0.
Single bidder.
Single bidder.
So,
ABC Construction Supply, negative 1.0 with a bid amount of 2,969,730 pesos.
ABC Construction Supplies will be still subjected for bid evaluation under Article 009. Next. Next contract ID is 26GF00004. From Deraga Trading.
For Beraga Trading. Submitted documents are there. Field registration. Platinum membership valid until July 23, 2027. Together with their DTI certificate. Issued March 31, 2023. Mayor's permit. Kasi, Bigo Soto na kapirma dito ah. Pasig pala to.
Taga Pasig.
Ano sir?
Pasig sila registered.
Issued January 12, 2026, the tax clearance. Issued May 25, 2026, their income tax return. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized, dated August 13, 2026. Their technical specifications. Delivery schedule. Manpower. Warranty certificate. Saratan, meron din po silang brochure. Omnibus Warrant Statement. Salvador Junior, San Andres Presentacion.
Nandun sa DWD, brochure na yan.
Yes. Is the sole proprietor and authorized representative. Full power and authority to do and execute, to perform any and all acts, not blacklisted. All documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements. Authorization is given to verify the submitted documents. No relation up to the third degree of consanguinity or affinity. Understood the failure to pay for this relationship. As well as submission of beneficial ownership information containing false entries shall be subject to blacklisting without prejudice to criminal and civil liabilities. Beraga Trading complies with existing labor laws, aware as undertaking the responsibilities of the bidder did not give, pay, or pay directly or indirectly any commission amount or fee, or any form of consideration, and in case of advance payment, failure to perform shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability. So, signed and notarized August 13, 2026 at Pasig City, Philippines. Also attaches the special power of attorney of Andre Christopher Conti Bernardo. Signed and notarized August 13 also 2026. That also is the sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership, signed and notarized August 13, 2026. Statement of single largest completed contract, 24 GEFO 116, supply and delivery of materials for repair maintenance of national road pavement markings. DPWH Palawan second, amount of 8,908,667 pesos and 40 centavos. Awarded December 13, 2024 and completed December 18, 2024.
Hindi mo narinig sa kanila. So, for their financial, sir.
In their financial envelope, Beraga Trading submits their bid form, the price schedule, signed, their signed summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, and the recurring maintenance cost, which is not applicable. All signed by Salvador Junior S.A. Presentacion, authorized representative, Beraga Trading, who offers. 3,999,060 pesos only, no discount. 3,999,060.000000.
Zero sir ang variance.
Malapit na.
Zero. So, for Veragis, zero variance.
Halos. Pero pag nila
Ay, oo. Talagang literal. Ano yun, sir? Tapos lang.
in-increase natin.
Pesos lang.
0.00001.
Veraga Trading, variance of negative 0.0004%. With a bid amount of 3,999,060 pesos.
Veraga Tradings bid will still be subjected for bid evaluation under Section 61 of RA 1209. So,